Let's take an in-depth look into the AUDMAX system, its features, hardware, and configuration. The system is built from a range of versatile components designed for seamless integration. The AUDMAX master panel provides the central control with a 30-watt amplifier and the option to expand to 60 watts. Additional components include a 24-button display controller for zone and message activation, the QAD30 amplifier for added audio power, and the QAS2X8 zone splitter for detailed circuit control. Booster panels, remote microphones, and local operating consoles further enhance system scalability and functionality. Together, these components create a flexible, reliable solution for emergency communication and voice evacuation. The AUDMAX Master can operate as a standalone unit or as part of a fire alarm system. For conventional systems, it can be controlled using 2 NACs and 2 relays. When integrated with Secutron-compatible fire alarm control panels, the system can connect to the fire panel's addressable loop for enhanced control and monitoring. The AUDMAX Master features a 30-watt dual-circuit audio amplifier, software selectable for 25-volt or 70-volt operation. It includes 2 built-in notification appliance circuits, each rated at 2.5 amps. For greater capacity, the system supports an optional dual-circuit 30-watt amplifier module, doubling the output to 60 watts with 4 speaker circuits. An optional 8-circuit zone splitter adds further circuit control, making the system highly adaptable. With its scalable design, booster panels can be added to provide comprehensive coverage and reliable performance for emergency audio notifications. The AUDMAX Master is equipped with pre-recorded digital messages for various emergency scenarios, including fire, evacuation, and severe weather. Using the panel's configuration software, you can also create custom audio messages with text-to-speech functionality or direct audio recording. The system supports up to 12 minutes of audio storage, providing flexibility to meet the unique communication needs of your application. Additionally, the AUDMAX Master accommodates up to 6 remote microphones or local operating consoles, enhancing operational control and functionality across larger installations. Batteries up to 18 amp-hour in size can be accommodated inside of the enclosure. The charger can work with batteries up to 75 amp-hour installed in an external enclosure. The AUDMAX Master Panel features 12 programmable switches that can be customized for various functions. These switches can activate specific zones, allowing targeted message delivery, or enable paging zone selection for live announcements. Additionally, pre-recorded messages can be initiated with a single press, and paging zone circuits can be selected to receive these messages. This intuitive design ensures quick and efficient communication during emergencies, enhancing the system's operational flexibility. The main display of the AUDMAX Master Panel provides essential controls and indicators for system operation. The 12 switches on the main display can be configured for specific functions. Zone activation. Pressing a switch activates the assigned zone circuits and plays a pre-programmed message. Paging zone selection. Pressing a switch prepares the selected zone circuits to receive live microphone announcements. Pre-recorded message selection. Pressing a switch triggers a pre-programmed message, which can then be directed to selected zones. Common control switches include the All Call button, which selects all circuits for paging, the Clear Selection button to cancel all active switches, and the Visual Indicator test for verifying LED functionality. Additionally, the Trouble indicator that includes a buzzer silence function. The display features LED indicators for AC power, ground fault, CPU health, active messages, alarms, pre-tones, and paging readiness. These configurable options provide operators with control functionality for managing emergency communication effectively. The AUDMAX Master can be expanded with a QAZT5302DS, optional 24 programmable button display adder, allowing for additional control and flexibility. Each button can be configured for various functions, such as zone activation, paging zone selection, or pre-recorded message selection. This expansion ensures the system can accommodate larger and more complex installations, enhancing its functionality for diverse applications. The AUDMAX master panel features a compact and efficient internal design. Inside the chassis, you'll find the main board, the QAD30 amplifier, and optional modules for system expansion. The QAD30 amplifier provides 30 watts of audio power, and the panel can support a second amplifier for a total of 60 watts. Additionally, the optional QAS2X8 zone splitter module offers expanded circuit control. This modular layout allows for easy maintenance, customization, and scalability to meet the specific needs of any installation. The QAD30 amplifier is a key component of the AUDMAX system, delivering 30 watts of audio power. It features two fully supervised speaker circuits, configurable as Class A or Class B. While each output can provide up to 30 watts, the total combined power of both outputs cannot exceed 30 watts. For example, if one circuit is loaded at 20 watts, the other can only support up to 10 watts. The amplifier supports selectable output voltages of 25 or 70 volts. LED indicators assist with troubleshooting, and the QAD30 can also function as a backup amplifier when configured as such in the system. The QAS2X8 zone splitter enhances the AUDMAX system by adding 8 independently controllable and fully supervised output circuits. This module allows precise control with the ability to turn each output on or off. When connected to two amplifiers, the QAS2X8 enables different audio signals to be played across separate zones simultaneously. This versatility makes it an essential tool for complex installations requiring customized audio distribution. The QAS2X8 is compatible with both the AUDMAX master and booster panels, and it mounts directly onto the main board. The QAS2X8 zone splitter is highly versatile, offering several application options to meet diverse installation needs. In a single audio message setup, the splitter provides up to 9 controllable output circuits by combining one direct amplifier output with the 8 outputs of the splitter. In this scenario, amplifier output 1 is used as a direct speaker circuit. Amplifier output 2 is connected to input 1 on the zone splitter and is available to be switched on to any combination of the 8 outputs on the zone splitter. For more advanced configurations, 2 amplifiers can feed the splitter's inputs, providing 10 output circuits. This setup supports a total of 60 watts of audio power while maintaining independent control of each circuit. An output on each amplifier is used to feed the 2 inputs on the zone splitter. A total of 10 controlled output circuits can be used, an output on each amplifier and the 8 outputs on the splitter. This application allows for 60 watts of split circuits. Total of all outputs cannot exceed each 30-watt amplifier capacity. The QAS2X8 zone splitter can also be used in a dual audio message configuration where 2 amplifiers provide separate audio sources or messages. Each output from the splitter can be programmed to select either the source on input 1 or the source on input 2, enabling different messages to be played in separate zones simultaneously. This application provides 8 controllable output circuits, offering flexibility for dynamic and diverse messaging needs. The AUDMAX Booster Panel, or BP, is designed to expand the system's audio output capabilities. Each booster panel provides 30 watts of audio power across 2 speaker circuits, configurable for 25-volt or 70-volt operation. The optional QAD30 amplifier can be added to double the output to 60 watts with 4 speaker circuits. The BP also supports the optional 8-circuit zone splitter for additional control. Booster panels connect to the AUDMAX master via an RS-485 communication line, ensuring reliable and efficient integration into the overall system. Up to 5 BPs can be connected on a system, allowing scalability for comprehensive audio coverage in larger installations. The AUDMAX Booster Panel is equipped with 2 notification appliance circuits, each rated at 2.5 amps. It includes battery backup with an 18 amp-hour capacity housed in the enclosure, expandable to a 75 amp-hour charge capacity with external batteries. With its modular design, the BP allows for integration of additional amplifiers or zone splitters, providing flexible and scalable emergency communication systems. The AUDMAX remote microphone, or RM, enhances the system's flexibility by allowing remote paging and control. Up to 6 remote microphones can be connected to the AUDMAX master via an RS-485 network bus. These microphones are powered by a 24 VDC terminal on the master panel's main board. This configuration ensures reliable communication across multiple locations while maintaining centralized control. The AUDMAX Local Operating Console, or LOCR, is a remote station that combines a microphone with a main display for system control. It duplicates the functionality of the AUDMAX master, providing operators with full control from a remote location. This flexibility ensures that critical system functions can be accessible in multiple locations. Additional space is provided for a 24-button display adder or a remote annunciator display like the RAX LCD light, connected to a compatible Secutron fire alarm panel. The AUDMAX Local Operating Console, or LOCR, can be equipped with the optional RAX LCD light annunciator. This display provides real-time status and monitoring for compatible Secutron fire alarm control panels. By integrating the RAX LCD light into the LOCR, operators gain enhanced visibility and control over the system, ensuring timely and informed responses to emergencies. This feature makes the LOCR an essential component for installations requiring extended functionality and system monitoring at remote locations. This system schematic illustrates the AUDMAX master operating in a conventional control setup. The master panel connects to multiple booster panels, each capable of providing up to 60 watts of audio output. Remote microphones and local operating consoles are connected via RS-485, ensuring reliable communication across the system. Activation is achieved using 2 notification appliance circuits and/or relay contact inputs from any fire alarm control unit. This conventional setup provides a straightforward and effective solution for emergency communication. This schematic shows the AUDMAX system in an addressable control configuration. The AUDMAX master connects to compatible Secutron fire alarm control panels via a signaling line circuit, or SLC. This integration allows for advanced monitoring and control of the system on a per-point basis. Up to 5 booster panels can be connected, providing a total of 360 watts of audio output. Remote microphones and local operating consoles communicate through the RS-485 network bus, ensuring seamless functionality across the system. This addressable setup offers a scalable, intelligent solution for managing complex emergency communication needs. AUDMAX systems now can support UL and ULC listed low-frequency audibility using MGC speakers and speaker strobes. A 520 Hz low-frequency tone file is available in the System Configurator software on versions 2.4.2 and above. Using speakers in lieu of standard signals can provide a building with enhanced notification options. In addition, the cost of low-frequency sounders and power supplies can be reduced due to the load characteristics of using speaker circuits for fire alarm audibility. For more information about this and other Secutron Fire products, visit us at secutron.com.